If you buy the wrong air fryer toaster oven, it hogs counter space and still disappoints at dinner. Then you're scrubbing a cramped box after every batch. So I'm sorting the good ones by real-life fit, not shiny features. Start with capacity, footprint, and cleanup. Too small means extra rounds, while hard-to-reach chambers get annoying fast. Let's move. Number 1. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. I picked this for households that cook big. Think batch cooking. It fits 9 slices of bread, a 13i NCH pizza, or a 9x13i NCH pan. So it handles casseroles, full meals, and bigger air-fried mains. You avoid juggling trays as often. The trade-off is patience. Toast runs slow, and preheating isn't quick either. Skip it if you want compact storage, fast toast, or a snappy start. I call this the roomiest all-rounder here. It also gives you convection mode and a coated baking tray. That makes the workflow feel broader than air frying alone. Number 2. The Foodi DT201. What if you want size without chasing the fanciest extra features? This one fits a 9x13i NCH baking pan and gives you 4 rack positions. That means more flexibility for mixed cooking jobs, from baking to toast to air frying. The trade-off is speed. The air fry cycle isn't its strongest move, and the interior doesn't have a non-stick coating. I choose it for families who want a roomy oven and steady bread browning. Skip it if fast air frying is your main reason to buy. Coated tray aside, cleanup still feels manageable because the chamber is easy to reach. Number 3. The Typhur Sync Oven. This is the one-eyed eye if you like guided cooking. It comes with a wireless thermometer and companion app features with prompts. That makes it feel more hands-on without hovering. It fits a 13i NCH pizza and 6 slices of bread, so it's still serious about size. It also hit the 45% moisture loss mark in 2005. That suggests a quicker air fry turn than the bigger slowpokes. The trade-off is toast balance. One side can run darker than the other. Skip it if even toast matters more than app help. I'd also skip it if you want a simpler oven. Number 4. The Cuisinart Air Fryer TOA-70. This is the budget pick for smaller households. It reached the 45% moisture loss mark in 1659. So it moves faster than the larger, pricier ovens here. That makes it a good fit when quick air frying matters more than a huge chamber. The trade-off is control. Its temperature can wander, and the baking tray isn't coated. So bake leftovers and cleanup ask a little more from you. I buy it for simple weeknight air frying, not for fussy baking. Skip it if easy reach in cleaning or steadier baking matters most. It's the bargain with the fewest comforts. Number 5. The Flip SP151. If your counter is tiny, this one makes sense. It flips backward for storage, so it disappears easier than most countertop ovens. That helps in apartments, dorms, and narrow galley kitchens. It also fits the budget lane while still giving you air fry and toast. The trade-off is headroom. The chamber has limited vertical space, and hand cleaning is more awkward than you'd like. I'd pick it for tight kitchens and breakfast-heavy routines. Skip it if you bake taller items or want the easiest wipe down. It also has a coated baking tray, which helps a little, but the shape still sets the limits. So here's the short version. Breville is the big all-rounder. Foodi DT201 is the roomy middle ground. Typhur is for guided cooking. Cuisinart is the budget speed play. Flip is the space saver. Before you buy, check your counter height, your usual batch size, and how much scrubbing you'll tolerate. Prices and filters change, so check before you buy. If any of those are off, keep shopping. If you want one oven for big meals, I'd start with Breville. For a roomier mid-range pick, I'd look at Foodi DT201. If space is the fight, Flip makes the most sense. Links are in the description.